Hello everyone, welcome to another trading session. I go with the buyers. I'm pretty late on this trade. Okay, I'm pretty late. If it comes down, I will add one more exactly right here. This is a beautiful trade because if you look at this area, we have an overlapping demand area, light another strong demand area. So we have double, it's a very strong area right here. We have minor uptrend, and this is just a small retracement, and then the market will go up 100%. Okay, I'll go one more time with the buyers here, but this time for 2 minutes. Let's go. I'm not going for 2 trades here. I go only one because we might have a retracement, and then we're gonna go up. Okay, because this is engulfing pattern, and you know that double candlestick and triple candlesticks, they can have retracement candles. Okay, let's see if we have anything inside of this engulf. Just in case we can add, yes, we have a QM area inside of this, just in case if it's going to come down. Okay, we have also broken this trend. If it's going to come down, we can enter on this area. Okay, in this area. Let's see, we have another thing. Not really. All right, let's just go to the 1 minute. Yeah, I believe they should go up 100%. And about this overlapping levels, when you have overlapping like this area can be strong supply or demand area. Okay, look at this one. If we were going with the sellers for 1 minute, we would lose this one. Okay, but after breaking these, we can have retracement. Okay, just like this one, and they can also be a good rejection point. For example, you have a QM and looking for entry at the lower time frame. You don't see fresh regular supply or demand, but you see in one of these, for example, you see one of these at the lower time frame overlapping. You can count on this one as your entry, as a supply or demand. Okay, that's how overlapping levels work. And of course we combine things. Okay, we don't trade only based on that reason. We combine the trend, we combine other things to take a trade. Okay, all right, beautifully played out as a winning trade. The reason why I didn't take this trade is because it's against the trend. Okay, I only try to take my trades with the trend. That's why I ignore some trades. All right, for example here, I don't go with the bars because we might have stupid retracements just like these, and we never know. This is a blind trade for me. That's why I don't trade these kind of trends. And people ask, why don't you trade clean trades like trends like that? Okay, look at this one. This is another one. This is another overlapping level. It closed right here. Okay, you could take this one. Okay, but imagine if it was coming up and closing somewhere here. Okay, breaking this area, breaking this ABC to the downside as well. So it would be double confirmation to take the next trade. We have the trend too. Okay, that would be nice. But for this one, we have only the trend and this one. Still takeable. If this was a doji, that would be even better. But for now, we have this gap down. Okay, we have this gap down. The candle flows right at the round number. That's why. Going with the buyers here. Okay, let me see. All right, let's just check other opportunities. When you're not sure about the opportunity, don't force a trade. Okay, just move on. Simple as that. All right. Oh, this is a beautiful QM. You can see that. This is a beautiful QM. Hold on. To take the trade. Now the price is going up. Okay, I'm gonna go with the buyers here. Again, terrible entry. Terrible entry. Look at this one. This is another overlapping level. This is another overlapping level. But this is a downtrend, so it's against the trend, right? It's totally against the trend. I should have lowered the amount. This is not a proper trade amount for this trade. I should have gone with 200, just in case if we're losing a trade that it doesn't have the trend, it doesn't have enough reasons to take. We just take with the lower amount. For example, instead of 500, we could go with 200, just to have a lower risk on the position that it's risky. Okay, so here it's normal to lose this trade. It has only one reason. but it's still possible to win this trade, okay? It's still possible to win this trade, but in the long run... Oh, what was that? That was crazy. It closed exactly where I opened the trade, but yeah, it was a losing trade. Okay, let's see. We only want to take good trades, okay? Alright, we have this one. Again, overlapping breakout. Should we take this one as a seller's trade? We have the minor trend, right? Let's just take this one. It's only 4 seconds left. Okay, that was a winning trade. Alright, if you have the trend, it's one reason. Okay, for example, if you look at the past, we have something called market sequence. 2 red, okay, 2 red, 2 red, again 2 red. So in the past you can see that after 2 red candles we have a green one, okay? I mean 2 green candles, we have a red one. So here we call it a market sequence. So we have market sequence, we have the trend, and we have an overlapping level breakout, okay? So we have another one. This is a pattern called morning star, okay? This is another reason to take this trade. Minor trend is always more important compared to major trend. And for taking best trades, I suggest you have at least 4 reasons to take a trade. This is a market sequence again, okay? Market sequence again. But we have here common point of rejection. This is called common point of rejection. Okay? This is also common point of rejection. So I will take a 200 here. Oh my god, what did I do? Holy man. Ah, shit. We just missed this opportunity, man. So we have 2 entries on this trade, okay? It's because we have 2 common point of rejections. We could save the bigger trade for this one and take a small trade on this one, because both of them are common point of rejections. Look at this one. Rejection, 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 rejection. Okay? So it's closing on the 5th time that is touching this rejection. This one too. This one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it was coming off, I would go crazy on this one, because I know that it would reject and close something like this. Okay? Because we have simply market sequence, we have the trend, okay, we have common point of rejection, and that's it. Alright, now let's see. Let's just check the other pace, see if we have opportunities. Okay, we have a potential sell here after this candle, and also we have another trade on this one. Okay, I will take both of them. What's this one? Okay, I go with the sellers here, and we have also a buy right here. Okay, 200 each. But this one is actually more sure. I go one more here. Okay. About this one. This is again market sequence. And then we have first touch, second touch, third touch is breaking that. But the problem with this breakout trade is it has a gap down in the favor of sellers. And also after the second touch, we haven't created a higher high. Okay, we haven't created a higher high. This is the problems with this trade. And also against the trend, okay? Against the trade. So we have 3 reasons not to take. We have market sequence to take and a simple breakout to take. So basically this trade is a $200 trade for me. Okay, I risk lower amount on this kind of trade. But for this one, I risked about 400 here because because this is clearly first touch, second touch, third touch, but this time it's creating a lower low. Okay, it's creating a lower low. So I take this, a full confirmation breakout. We have the trend. Okay, we have market sequence too. Look at this. Market sequence, market sequence. Okay. We have one more reason. We have one more reason here. And that is gap up in the favor of sellers. When you want to think when you want to go with the sellers, okay, when you're thinking about going with the sellers, if you see a gap up, it's a positive confirmation. But if I was seeing a gap down, okay, the candle was starting from here, that would call a gap down. That would be in the favor of buyers and a negative reason for taking this trade, okay? So for now, we have a positive reason to take this one as a gap up as well. So we have 4 reasons to take this one, okay? Oh, this is a QM too. Look, I will check this confirmation of everything. See, we don't have engulf. All right, we have engulf in 5 minutes, but in 5-minute engulf, we should be very careful. Okay, this is the fresh area for me. Let me just draw that. But be careful about 5-minute engulfs. If you don't see the engulf at 3 minutes, there's no engulf. Just be careful because the 5-minute engulf is not that accurate. So we'll go with the buyers here. Okay, let me just... All right. I would not be surprised. I would not be surprised if this candle is a green one, because look at this one. Market sequence, and again, market sequence. All right, let's see. Okay, it didn't come down. Let's just check the losing trade. This one, yeah. This one I took, okay? It has a gap up in the favor of sellers. I took a buy in this one, okay? It doesn't have higher high, unlike the previous one. Previous one has a higher high, okay? Before the breakout, it doesn't have higher high, okay? It's against the trend too. The only reason for taking this one is market sequence, one reason. Another one is simply a third touch breakout without any, a higher high. So you can see that most of the reasons are for not taking this trade. But for this one, it was different, okay? For this one, we took. It has everything. Okay, this QM right here, it didn't come into my entry. All right, I took 2 trades on this one, okay? This is kind of ranging market to the upside. You can see that it's moving like that, but we care about minor trend, which is a ranging market. All right, let's see if we're gonna win this trade. This is simply a common point of rejection. Let me see. All right, yeah. So this is a common point of rejection, okay? Look at this one. We just draw the common points. This is another one. If we look at this one, let me just draw with this thing. All right, this is the common point of rejection. We can have different type of common point of rejections. For example, this one is also valid. This one exactly right here. Okay, and just draw that. This one. Okay, I took this trade right here because the market wasn't coming up, and here the expectation here is a red one, and it's a green one because of this gap down. Okay, this one also takeable. Okay, so this is a common point of rejection. They work best in ranging markets. They work best. Okay, and I'm gonna stop right here, man. And also, some people still texting me and asking about the mentorship, even though I'm saying it's closed for now. I will inform in the Telegram channel. Make sure you join, and also I also share my students' results in the Telegram channel. I don't sell signals. I don't have copy trade and all that. Yeah, just join the Telegram channel. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.